What's up, guys? Here we are again. It's still winter and I've got work to do on the OldSols. We're in the garage. I've got the heater going on in here. It's still freezing. My toes are cold. But we're gonna install this other headlight that I haven't installed in like 2.5 weeks. So I'd really like to get the same headlights. That's what we're gonna be doing today. Hope you guys enjoy the video. A lot of people probably know how to install headlights, but at one point in my life, I did not know how to install a headlight. So hopefully this will help somebody down the road. So all we're gonna need today, I shit you not, this guy. That's all we're gonna need. This is like the easiest install ever. Here's my new headlight. Got this off eBay. A lot of people don't like eBay stuff, but these are pretty fire, and they were $100, I believe. I don't know. They're pretty cool. I really like that they're one piece headlights as opposed to the old two-piece Honda OldSols headlights, and they look clean as shit. They're gonna bolt right on. I've already installed one. Your turn signal here, your headlight here, this pops off. I'll show you how to do all that. It's pretty easy, guys. On these headlights, I really like how the amber's on the inside. It's not on the outside, or the amber isn't actually the plastic that's on the outside, it's on the inside. It makes it look super, super nice. Like I said before, really like these eBay headlights. People are probably like, I never buy things on eBay, but I think a lot of us do. Just saying. I don't know. Let's take our one tool. Let's go do this. Got the hood all popped. OldSols. So literally all that we're gonna do, there's one bolt down here, one bolt here, and one bolt here. This whole thing comes out. You detach your headlight and your turn signal, get the new one in, reattach them, you're good to go. Seriously, that's all there is to it. It's about as easy as it can be. So the bolt size that we need are 10 millimeters. Oh, 10 millimeters is what we're gonna need to get these guys out. Right there. All right, bolt number one. This guy right there, we're gonna get that guy out. These aren't in there very tight. Bolt number two, I totally lied. You're gonna need a screwdriver, guys. Phillips screwdriver to get those corner blinker lights out of there. So, my bad. Where is it? There it is. And there. And what you're gonna do, see it's out. Wee boop, beep boop, beep boop. You're just going to remove the light from the actual housing itself. So we're going to do that. You're just going to twist, and it's going to pop out. And there it is. Bolt number three. Really blown it on this video, guys. 4 bolts. 4 bolts. You can tell. I am a OldSols headlight expert. I've already done this once, but man, really botching it today with these bolts, guys. All right, let's go ahead and get this bolt out here. Bolt number 4, there it is. Okay, I got it out. There it is. Yay! So your headlight is in there. And what you do is you gotta pull this cover off here. There's this rubber cover. Just gonna pull it off like this. Nope, I dropped it. So there's a little clip here, and you push it down and out, and see it releases like that. And then you can just get your old headlight out. And your headlight's done. Yay! Okay, so I had to take it back out. You want to plug all your light bulbs back in before you put your headlight in. Don't forget to do that. Okay, lights are in. Let's put it in. I do believe you're in. Now you just gotta bolt it on. Well, in the time that I was installing my headlights, it's now snowing outside. So the old Del Sol here, right there, not going outside anytime soon. We got these headlights in super fast. I hope you guys like them. I love them. They're on eBay for under 100 bucks. I don't know how you can go wrong. But thanks for watching this video. I hope it helps somebody out. I don't know. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I didn't know how to do this at one time until I just got around and started messing around with things. But if you want to check out the Old Sols anywhere else, we're on Instagram at oldsolscarclub. We'd love if you guys can follow us. We're on YouTube. That's how you're watching this video. Duh. And on Reddit, I'm Cartman KCCO. So check everybody out there. Tons of awesome cars, tons of knowledge. And until next time, hopefully in the spring when the weather's warm, check you guys later. And thanks for watching this video. Peace.